Okay, now we need to style the sidebar area, and if you remember from my interface design, I just have a picture and some text about me. I have that picture already uploaded, so let's insert it. I am going to need to remove the color of the sidebar because it's a hideous green. And we do have some styling set for the sidebar area. We want to make it white, so let's first get rid of the green background color there. And let's look at the sidebar.php code. Again, the easiest thing to do would be for me to just put my profile picture in there. The link to that I'm going to get from my dashboard, and it's right here. There's a link to it, and I will add it here. img space src is equal to that picture. And now I want to add a little text about. So instead of a categories header, I'm going to have an H2 that just says about. And I think I'll just pull a little snippet from my about page. I can use some custom PHP code to grab like the first few lines of the content from my about page. And we'll come back to that in just a second. So I'll say about page content goes here. Okay. And then I think it's fine to list the categories and the archives. We may want to change this up as we move forward, but I think that works. The big thing though is we need to style the H2 because the H2 looks hideous. So let's go back to our style sheet, and probably belongs, the styling for the H2 belongs between the H1 and the H4. And I want to use that cool typeface. Font family is Bromello, and the color is going to be that brown color, which is the menu bar background color, right? The other thing that I need to do is in my site here, I have these ugly blue links. That's kind of the default link color. I did style these links up here, but I never set a default link color. I think I'm going to use the pukey green for my link color. So I need to just make a general link color. So we'll go to our style sheet, and because this is going to pertain to like all the links by default, we will say that the link color is, we'll say a color is, let's change that to our pukey green, which is the same as our rollover color for our links in our menu bar, which is down here, this color. That's what I'm looking for. So my link colors by default are going to be this. Okay, got it. So let's see how all those changes look. We need to upload the sidebar in the style.css files. Style.css, sidebar, and much better. But it didn't pick up my typeface. I must have made a typo or something there. It did pick up the link color, but I don't want, oh, and I do like those bulleted lists right there. I might want to make the type size a little bit smaller. Okay, so let's go back to our style sheet here. Why didn't it pick up my H2s as Bromello? Because I didn't spell it right. I added a W, and I think I need to put it in single quotes. B-R-O-M-E-L-L-O in single quotes. Oh, style.css. Okay, looks pretty much the way I want it to look.